Welcome to Mech Made Simple. In last lecture, we were solving, we were studying forces, adding forces in space. That is, adding 3D forces, as you can see here. So I had explained what Fy is, Fx is, Fz is, and then we had studied the relationship between magnitude of force F and its rectangular scalar components. And our final relation that came was F is equals to Fx square plus F is equal to under root of Fx square plus Xy square plus Fz square. So I hope you have noted this down, and I'm going to rub this off now, and we will start with the next topic. So our next topic is relationship between force F and its components Fx, Fy, Fz. So we have theta y from the y-axis to the force F. We have theta x from the x-axis to the force F, and we have theta z from, though I have not drawn them, they are there. F theta z is equals to from z-axis to force F. So we can write Fx is equals to F cos theta x Fy is equals to F cos theta z, and Fz equals F cos theta z. This is theta y. From these equations, we can imply that cos theta x is equals to Fx by F cos theta y equals Fy by F, and cos theta z equals Fz by F. So these are the three relations that we need to learn, which will these three will these three will be used in solving the numericals. Next I'll tell you what is a vector expression for force F. vector expression for force F. So what is the vector expression for force F? So we all know that I, j and k components, we have unit vectors. If this is a 3-axis, then we have this is I cap, this is j cap, and this is k cap. I, j, k cap, we have the unit vectors along 3-axis. So we can write f vector. So what is a vector? Vector is the product of a scalar and the direction cosines. Vector is a product of the scalar and its direction. So we can write vector expression for force equals F is equals to Fx I cap plus Fy j cap plus Fz k cap. This I, j and k. Now we have fx is equals to cos theta x, fy is equals to cos theta y, fz is equals to cos theta z. So we can write it here. Fx equals, we can substitute fx is equals to cos theta x here, and fy is equals to cos theta y here. I'll just write that down. Fx cos theta x I cap plus f y cos theta y j cap. This unit vector diagram I am rubbing out. I hope you have noted them down. And we have here fz cos theta z k cap. So these are, sorry, this x won't be here because fx is equal to f cos theta x, fy is equal to f cos theta y, and fz is equal to f cos theta z. Now if we take f out, we will be remaining as, it will look like this: f cos theta x I cap plus cos theta y j cap plus cos theta z k cap. Now I introduce a vector lambda. All this thing under the bracket, is called lambda. So lambda equals so this is the lambda, and this lambda is called unit vector. This lambda is called unit vector. Now I hope you have noted down this. If you have not, please do note down all this. And the next topic I'll start is, or I'll rather say the next, property. Next property is sum of squares of components of vector is equal to square of its magnitude. This is a property. Sum of squares of the components of vector the components of a vector sum of squares of the components of a vector is equal to the square of its magnitude. That is, if we square lambda x cos theta x, lambda x is this, This is lambda x. This is lambda y. And this is lambda z. Now, if we square this, all the three cosines, then we will get 1. So, what it says is lambda x square plus lambda y square plus lambda z square equals 1. So, this is what the property says. So, this will be used in a lot of numericals that we are solving. This we have to learn. So that was all for today. This is all this that I have taught to you. This is to section 2.4a. This is section 2.4a. I'll write it here. 2.4a of Beer and Johnson's book. If you have any queries, please do let me know in the comment section, or if you have any problems to solve for me, please do let me know in the comment section. You can just write problem number 2.4 or 2.6 and I'll solve it here on the board. So thank you for listening. If you have gained some knowledge from this video, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. Thank you.